Okay, so we're looking at the roof coverings here, which have likely been pressure washed. If you look here, we have granules. That's how these shingles would have looked originally, but it looks like they've been blown off completely, rendering the underlying mat vulnerable to reduced life expectancy. And I'm seeing this in several areas. You can see moss was growing, and Liz, to your question, what's the white stuff? The white stuff, like this right here, this is zinc or zinc granules, likely used to treat the roof to avoid ever having to pressure wash. So pressure washing is a practice I recommend against because it can add a minimum blow-off years of serviceable life, and at a maximum it can ruin a roof. So you can see some mechanical damage to some of the ridge cap shingles here. There's another one here, another one here, and then all these dark spots here are granular loss. It's most pronounced over here in this area, but also possible in other areas. So I recommend you have a qualified roofing contractor further evaluate all of the roof coverings, make repairs as deemed necessary, and then estimate useful remaining life.